I first noticed my hair loss when I was in about my mid-30s or so. It started thinning toward the front of my hair, and my hairline was receding up my forehead. My hair loss affected me basically mostly in my confidence, because when I'd go out on a date or something, I'd try to cover it up. I decided to have a hair transplant because I was researching it on the internet, and basically it seemed to be the best option that I could come up with. I was looking for several things: something that would be permanent, something that would look natural, and something that would last, that wouldn't fade away after time. The day of my procedure was great. The staff at Great Hair Transplants is very friendly, very welcoming. They made me feel comfortable about the procedure. I felt very confident in the skill of both Dr. Bolton and his surgical assisting staff. The procedure wasn't really painful. There was a little bit of pain in the post-op, which pain medicines took care of. But for the most part, it was a fairly painless procedure. I didn't really tell anybody I was doing the procedure except close family and friends. So nobody really knew, and now I'm telling more and more people about it because I'm so happy with the results. Since my hair has grown back, I have regained my confidence. I feel good, especially out on a date, meeting a woman. I don't feel like I have to be self-conscious about my hair. I no longer have to comb it back and forth to try to cover up as much of the bald scalp as possible. It falls great, it looks great. I'm very, very happy with the procedure. The investment I made was well worth it. As a matter of fact, I didn't think the results would be as good as they did turn out to be. So I just wish I would have made the investment years ago instead of waiting until I was in my early 50s. I would recommend Dr. Bolton to anybody. As I said earlier, the staff professionalism was great. Dr. Bolton was very knowledgeable. His surgical assisting staff was wonderful. The whole procedure was absolutely flawless, and I'm just very pleased all in all with the results and the procedure that Dr. Bolton used.